Most people are struggling with 4,000 watch hours, and then this isn't because they don't post. Like, they actually make posts, they're actually consistent, but then you still see them struggling with their watch hours. If you've been posting on YouTube and you are stuck, like your views are literally low and your watch hours is basically crawling, then this video is definitely for you. So I would want you to quickly understand this, right? YouTube doesn't just want views. Like, yes, you appreciate views, but beyond the views, YouTube actually want people to stay longer. Like, they want people to stay and actually enjoy that your content. So this is more like the longer people stay to watch your videos, the better it is for you. Let's make this very simple. Like, let me explain this for you in simple terms. Like, we all know that 4,000 watch hours is needed for monetization, right? And then 60 minutes make what? 1 hour. That's to say you'll be needing 4,000 watch hours times 60 minutes. That's 240 minutes is what you actually need to get monetized. That is huge, right? Okay, let's say you make a video that is about 10 minutes long and then people stay to watch that video for like 5 minutes. That is to say you will need about 48,000 views for you to get 4,000 watch hour for that particular video. And then let's say you made a long video that is about 20 minutes long and then people stay for an average of 10 minutes to watch that video. That means you need about 24,000 views for you to get 4,000 watch hours just for that video. I don't know if you are getting the maths. I don't know if you are getting the logic. So the first thing you have to do is this: understand the maths, like understand the calculation that goes into watch hour. Number two, stop posting short random videos. Like, you just want to post for posting sake, you want to post for consistency's sake, and then because of that, you're just posting videos that are like 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes. Like, you're just posting it. Now, don't get me wrong, I am not saying that posting short videos like that are bad. Like, no, they are not. But if your aim is to generate watch hour, then you should be making longer videos. And by longer videos, I mean videos that are about 8 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30, even 1 hour long. If you can, if your niche permits this, then why not? But I also want to add, now, not because I ask you to make long videos, then you just gotta make long videos for the sake of making long videos. Like, if you make a long videos and then you're not saying anything meaningful, you're not teaching anything meaningful, people will definitely click off and that will kill that video. Number three, the first 30 seconds of your video actually matters. Like, your hook should actually be hooking. If people click on your video and then they click off within 30 seconds, see, that video will just die a natural death. Like, YouTube will literally stop pushing that video, and then that is bad business. Like, if you are looking for watch hours, right? So what should you do to fix this? One, you have to start your video with a very strong hook. Two, you have to start your video with a clear promise. Like, let people actually know what they are expecting to gain at the end of the video, right? Then three, your video should be relatable. Like, it should be something that they can easily connect with. If you are still starting your video with, "Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my name is so," then that is way back, like in the 90s, and I'm sure you don't want to be doing that. That is definitely not a best way to start your videos in 2026. Instead of saying that, why not start your video like this? If your YouTube videos are not getting watch hours, then this is why. Are you seeing any difference? That way you can see that my hook is straight to the point. Like, it's actually addressing someone's problem, and if that is their problem, they would actually stay to listen. They would want to hear me out. But imagine me starting with greeting. Like, who actually has that time? 4, learn how to structure your video. Your video should look more like you are trying to tell a story, and then the story should sound organized and interesting. Like, one line leading to another interesting line, stuff like that. So for this structure, whenever you're trying to write your script, whenever you're trying to make a video, make sure that your video has a hook, your video has an introduction, your video has a problem it is trying to address, and then your video has a solution. Finally, your video should have a conclusion. So your video should sound conversational, like your audience should feel it like you are trying to discuss with them, like you actually feel their pain, more like you people are gisting. Number five, focus on one problem per videos. Like, I know you have a lot of things to talk about. I know you are exposed, like there are so many things going on in your head, but please, one problem per video so that you can adequately address the problem and speak to that particular audience. Pick one topic and then you stick to that topic. Don't just go round and round and round. At the end of the day, if your audience feel like you did not address that particular problem, they can actually run away from your other videos. Do you get? So if you are coming up with a topic, make sure that you are doing justice to that topic, like explain it and explain it well. Number six, make binge videos. Like, don't just make one video on a particular topic. Make relatable videos on that topic, like let them be related, such that you can easily relate it to that video. You can easily create a playlist and then group all your videos, you get, so that when they come to your channel, like on a particular topic, they can see like more than one video addressing that topic. Number seven, use your existing videos smartly. Like, when you want to end a video, don't just tell them bye. Okay, you should tell them that I already made a video on how to, and then you link the video to your current video. That way, from this video, they're also watching another one. You should also learn how to create a playlist. When you create a playlist, what happens is this: immediately that video is ending, it is suggesting another of your video in that playlist. But when you don't put your videos in a playlist, it will start suggesting videos from other creators, and I'm sure you do not want that. You want them to actually stay and watch yours first, right? Lastly, be consistent and then grow every day. Your current videos should actually be the best form of your past videos, right? Your current videos should not be the worst form of your videos. Like, you should always learn, improve, and then work on your videos, work on yourself, try to post more, be as consistent as you can, because we're talking about watch hours here, right? You cannot get watch hours just by posting one video and then you go back and relax. No, as much as you can, you have to try to be consistent enough, to make more videos, because this will actually signal to the algorithm that okay, this person is active, stuff like that. And the more people watch your channel, the more the algorithm will push it to more people. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up. Until next time, thank you so much for watching.